going to see if, the one part I've never worked with before is infrared. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to set up the infrared camera. But while I'm doing it, I just want you to see that here we have all kinds of equipment I'm going to show you later at another time. But the first job is that we need to set it up. So I'm going to put my glasses on so I can make sure I can see everything. Then I'm going to take this neck strap and I'm going to hook in here. Right here, you see this? This is going to be hooked in here. And the other one is going to be hooked in here. Now see, that allows me to let it hang, and I won't accidentally drop it or something like that, because this is a $700 piece of equipment. Okay, I'm going to start it up. Okay, and so as I'm starting it up, you'll feel it vibrate. It's just coming up. You can see it there. Pretty easy. All right. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to take the UAV. Now this is a Mavic 2 Dual. Now the thing is, this thing's really old, so old it doesn't have its own remote ID, and all commercial birds, all FAA registered drones have to be able to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it up. Okay, we bring the front legs out first. Front arms like that, and then the back swing back. Don't pull them back, just let them swing back. All right, and it's still repairable, but the parts are getting more and more expensive. Now the beauty of this for starting our team is because the whole package is $1,000, right? But this is $700. So that means this drone is really only $400 plus all the accoutrements. Like for example, I have this. It's a spotlights and stuff. I'll show it to you. But there's a lot of other things. Before we can continue, we're going to be flying at night. Okay, so I have to go over and put right here on this. I have to take this off. Okay, don't want to lose it. Put it right inside okay, and then I put this in its place. Now there's a little clip in there so that you can actually put it in, and then screw the nice and tight. Now that is a strobe light. That's a strobe light that's going to light while we're flying. Now I need a battery. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it right there again. I'm going to get a battery out. Now I don't know which one's working right now. Oh look, that one doesn't have enough electricity in it. And that one does. Okay, so now we know that this one is what I'm going to use. And I am going to set this off to the side because I started bumping it around a little bit and I don't want to do that. Now, the thing is that this bird has to have remote ID. It's too old to be built-in remote ID. Okay? Now what this does is it talks to fire department, police, and whoever happens to be in the area and tells them where I'm at. A lot of people don't like it. Doesn't bother me a bit. I don't sneak around anywhere anyway. But I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it on top of this battery right here, and then I'm going to activate it by pushing this button. Okay, so you can see it's transmitting. Now what it does is it says where the drone is, and it'll last for about 4 or 5 hours. It's really, really cool. But it's required by FAA if you're going to be doing work, okay? If you're recreational, you don't have to if it's below 50 grams, 150 grams. Okay, so now I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide the battery right into there. Now it's in there. I'm going to hit the battery again. See, the light's on. Now, this is probably the thing I don't like the most. This is the gimbal cover. Now, this gimbal cover, like, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. You know that's illegal. All right, so I'm going to take this off, and it frees the gimbal, makes it safe, okay? All right, now I'm going to take my cover, I'm going to put it back here so I don't lose it. Okay, so far I have the cameras ready to go. I'm going to launch when it comes time to launch. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so I have this going, right? Now, I'm going to find a place to take off. Now, it depends on what I'm doing, but if the place to take off is like here on a road, that's fine, but I may have to take it off with my hand or have someone take off while I'm holding it. Okay, it all depends because it's not going to like the dirt. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to push this button right here. And now it's going to start. Now, you won't be able to see it, I'll show you later, but now it's doing its self-test. The remote ID is working, okay? Right? Now, before we take off, I'm looking, make sure the props are all working, all the lights are working right now. This light will come on when I turn it on. I'm also looking for anything that's dangerous. Right at this point, right, this light is probably the closest thing to watch out for. But I'm going to be up at about 100 feet away from that, so I want to take off straight. It's a good night to do this, I think, because we're going to get some evidence of people acting like idiots. Okay, so I'm going to come over, and I'm going to start right here. And now I'm waiting for okay, good. Right. Okay, so as you can see, you won't be able to see very well there because it's sort of bright. But here's where I'm going to start my manual flight, and I'll give you a chance to look at it. Now, it says that the home point's updated. I'm going to do my checklist. Everything's normal. Okay. All right. I can see that the remote is working. All right, then I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to have it take off. That's bringing them down and to the left, or to the center. Okay, now I'm going to hit the light, and all of a sudden we have a strobe. It's cool, right? It's cool. So let's go this way so the other light's not bothering you. So the other light's not behind you. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it to visible light. Okay, now this will be used later as we move along. So I'm going to take this.
Oh,
I see it.
go straight up for now.